Hello everyone, welcome to Relaxing English with Phanit. So today you will learn about how to express something that is the same or similar by using same, as and like. So next we learn how to use the word the same with possessive. Here is the form subject plus to be plus the same as plus possessive adjective or possessive pronoun. Here is the example. Your answer is the same as mine, or you can say, your answer is the same as my answer. Next, you can use the same with noun. Here's the form subject plus to be plus the same plus noun plus of plus subject 2. So we have two subject. You compare subject 1 and subject 2. Here is another form subject plus to be, or you can use with verb plus the same plus noun plus of plus possessive pronoun. Take a look at example. Mary is the same age as Valeria. Ben is the same age as Bill. His eyes are the same color as mine. Her job pays the same salary as mine. And if you want to compare something that is similar, you can use with like. Here are the form subject plus to be plus like plus possessive pronoun. If you want to show something that is in personality or appearance, you can use these two forms, subject plus to be plus like plus noun. Or you can use subject plus look like plus noun. Be like we express personality. Look like we express appearance of someone. Here are the example. Your ID is like mine. Mean that we got similar ID. It should say, your ID is the same as mine. Mean that we got the same idea. And they are not different. If you want to express personality, you can say, she is like her mother. Or you talk about appearance, you can say, he looks like his father. If you want to make comparison, you can use with adjective, that is comparative. Subject 1 plus as plus adjective plus of plus subject 2. Example, Ben is as tall as John. Bob is as smart as Alec. This table is as long as that one. And here are some important tips. You learn how to compare between like and as. So what are they different? For like we use with noun or pronoun when we compare two things, or we talk about appearance. Example, she acts like a child. It sounds like a cat. Or you can use like or say as to the example. Example, you can try a team sport like, or you can use say as football, basketball, or hockey. And number 3, you can use like as subordinating conjunction instead of if or as though. They look like they have been having fun, or you can say they look as if as though they have been having fun. For us, we use to refer the job or function. I work as a nurse. He used his coat as a blanket to keep warm. Or you can use as when we connect two phrases instead of because while in a way that you can say, or the ticket was so odd as we got there too late. She called as I was studying. As I said, as in this project will be a challenge. So when we use like or as and like are preposition or conjunction with different meaning. Example, as your father, I have you as many as I can. Mean that the speaker is the listener father. As you use the word like your father, I have you as many as I can. Mean that the speaker isn't the listener father, but wishes to act in a similar way to the father. Number 2, as and like we can use the same, but like is informal. Example, nobody know him as I do. Or you can say, nobody knows him like I do. But if you use like here, this informal, you can use in spoken language. In number 3, we use like instead of as when we compare two things. Example, the little girl, like her mother, she has bright red hair, so we compare she and her mother. And number 4, we can use as instead of like when replaced by the way. As mean the way that. Example, he can't play cricket as he used to. This one is formal. However, you can use like, but this one is informal. Nobody acts like he does. Or you can say nobody acts as he does. So we can use the same but for like is informal. Now I think it's time for you to take a quiz to make sure how much you understand the lesson or not. So let's complete the sentences with like, the same, or as. Here are the 15 exercises. You should spend time, and you may pause the video to complete this one. Okay, I assume that you have done it. So now let's check the answer one by one. Number 1, he would like to go to a school like the one his father goes to. Number 2, my hair is the same length as hers. Number 3, your room is the same size as mine. Number 4, this garden is as beautiful as the one in a city park. Number 5, John is the same bird as his girlfriend. Number 6, his shirt is the same as mine. Number 7, he looks like his grandfather. Number 8, this coat is as expensive as that one. Number 9, she would like to buy some comic book like mine. Number 10, I am as smart as my sister. Number 11, his pants are almost like mine. Number 12, he wants to work as an airline pilot. Number 13, I like suit as the same style as Ben's. Number 14, he acted like his wife. Number 15, she cried as his boyfriend didn't love her. So that's it for grammars today. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to support me. So see you in the next video.